Vanessa Holga from BSA 2 Section 1, and now I'm going to recite the vision and mission of Irene B. Antonio College of Mindanao. Vision. Irene B. Antonio College of Mindanao envisioned becoming Mindanao's leading academic and technological training institution needed by the 21st global century learners and international job market. Mission. Irene B. Antonio College of Mindanao adheres to provide I. Innovative Filipinos and technological academic training and lifelong learning for quality education. B. Balanced education for the total development of learning individual to cope with technological and social changes. A. Affordable tuition fees and access to developmental program and services. C. Capability building opportunities to all its faculty and staff towards quality assurance. M. Milestone of the advanced education and training in Mindanao and the world.